Today we're going to bring a nice little latch. If you guys can notice, there's two pieces to it. They're made of plastic, but they have some steel, they have some metal in there, which is pretty much aluminum. And we're going to show you how to work, because once it locks in, it's a little hard to get out. So you can use this for any kind of enclosure, doors, RVs, or something that you need permanent lock for a temporary lock. Very easy. Not too much friction in it, and it's very, I thought it was magnetic at first, but it's not. It latches in completely. We're gonna do a little demo how it works. All right, so we got two places that you're gonna open it up. All right, so we're gonna open it up. We screw one into the actual wood in the bottom, and then one to the actual place itself. We're gonna show you how it works. So basically,
you need something to listen, no?
No.
Just pull it.
All right, so this is how it works. All right, so we're gonna hold on. I need to see.
Okay, go.
All right, we're gonna show you how it works. So you gotta marry them together, and it kind of locks in when you have to push one side. In permanent, it stays locked, really fixed, and it's hard to get apart. So these things actually last pretty long, very strong. So if you have RVs or anything you want to close, or sliding doors that you want to lock, and you don't want to open them simple, and you're moving vehicles, this is a perfect latch to hang on to any kind of thing. So if you guys can see, you marry them together, and they're not easy to take apart, and it takes some little strength. It takes like about a pound and a half or a pound to actually move them out. So very simple. You marry them together, and it's just plastic and friction. That's pretty much it is. So I hope you guys enjoy the video.